Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to delete your Snapchat account and make a new one. So first thing that you will do is open the Snapchat application into your device, and from here you will have two options. You can either continue with Google. So when you tap on continue with Google, you can just simply select an account, and from there you'll be able to create an account automatically, or you can just simply tap on sign up, which you will manually add your account. So just simply provide your name and tap on continue, and just simply provide a birth date, tap on continue, and from here just simply choose a username. If you want to change it, you can just tap on change my username over here, and after that, once you are done, just tap on continue. And from here, just simply set a password, guys, and tap on continue. And now from here, guys, you can either continue with a mobile phone number, or you can tap on use email address instead. So I'm going to go for email address. And from here, just simply provide your email address and tap on continue. And from there, you should be able to create your account. And now, guys, if you want to delete your Snapchat account, just tap on the profile on the top left corner of the screen. From here, tap on the gear icon on the top right. And now, just simply go ahead and scroll down. And you should be able to see here, delete account. So tap on that. And from here, just simply log in into your account. And now from here, just simply go ahead and provide your password again down below. And tap on continue. And from there, you should be able to delete your account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.